In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Google Calendar tasks to another account. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the account that currently holds the task you want to copy. If you don't see tasks on your calendar, check the sidebar and ensure the task's calendar is turned on so those items are visible. Next, find the task you want to copy. Tasks usually appear with a small checkmark icon and sit on the date they're due. Click the task to open its details. This brings up a small panel where you can see the title, date, and any notes you've added. Now look for the three dots, often labeled More Actions. Click that to expand your options. This is where Google Calendar lets you move or copy items between calendars that you can access from your current account. You'll see a list of your calendars. This list includes any calendars you own, plus calendars that are shared with you. Choose the calendar associated with the other account where you want the task to live. If you don't see the destination calendar, make sure it has been shared with this account and added to your list beforehand. Once it's visible in your calendar list, it will appear here as an option. After selecting the destination, an edit window will open for the copied version of the task. Before you save, take a moment to review the details. Update the title if you need more context, adjust the date and time, and add a description or link so the task is helpful to the person or account receiving it. Double check that the calendar field shows the destination calendar you just selected. Once you're satisfied, click Save. In some cases, you might see Save more than once. A quick confirmation after choosing the destination, and then the main Save button in the editor. Go ahead and confirm both to finalize the copy. That's it. The task has been copied. To verify, switch your view to the destination calendar or open that account and look at the same date. You should see the new task there with the details you just reviewed. If you're copying multiple tasks, repeat these steps for each one. A quick tip, keeping naming consistent, like adding a project tag or team prefix, makes it easier to sort and search later. You've successfully copied a Google Calendar task to another account, keeping your information organized and accessible where it needs to be. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you follow along.